Okay, I'm going to show you my PC. As you can see, I have it hooked up. I'm on my MySpace currently. I'm using Windows 7 beta build. The release is not out for another month. And this is my gaming rig. This is my PS3. I love that thing to death. I need to get a new drive for it though. And here's my PC. All the parts inside of it. I think I just got a text from Gary. Make sure when you're doing this, you don't do this very much when your PC is running like I am, but I'm just doing it as an example video. There's my quad-core processor under that fan right there. My motherboard, my most expensive part, and my case. I'm using a, gosh dang it, I forgot the name of the case. I'll post it on the side of the video. Dang it. Gosh dang it. There it is. And so, that's my case. And I built it over the summer, or for my last birthday back in March. Probably do some new upgrades soon. It came with a drive. This drive right here. There's a disk in it right now. But basic drive. I have another drive over here, I believe. I was going to install Sony. It's not a Blu-ray drive. I need to get one of those. It has a front van, an exhaust, so it comes in and out. It's got out here, in here, and it's got the CPU fan, as I pointed out earlier, and there's also my sweet graphics card fan down there on the other side. And the cool thing about my case is these twist knobs. I'll open her up again. It's these twist knots right here. You can take out the drives with it. I currently only have a 500 gig Western Digital green drive. I forgot the name of the drive. It's one of those green ones. It takes up less power. I only have a 500 watt power supply. I need to get a new one. This one came with the case. So it's on my Christmas list if anyone wants to get it for me. And and a new drive for my PS3 would be much appreciated. It's about $80 to $90. The one I want to get. And then they have these slots. I'll show you on a spot where I'm holding it. So you basically put the drive in, and you turn the knob, and it's right in there. And there's another spot for a fan on the other side, black side. It's a pretty basic build. I built it for $900. I got most of my parts from Micro Center. And the video quality is okay because I'm running off my BlackBerry Storm currently. You can see the back side of this. See, it's a very basic back side. You can open it up. I'm not going to do it because it takes forever to put back in. It's got the board and my Western Digital drive. I don't know why that was back there. I couldn't find that. Yeah, well, you see there's another fan port. I don't have a fan currently kicking out of there. And it's pretty cool right there. It's got the lighting. Love it. Yeah, it's Slimedon Raid Max Gaming Development System. They currently make them out of or what's that place called? And that's my basic build. And the other thing on my Christmas list, I'd like someone if you're really that big of a fan, you can buy me another graphics card. That'd be much appreciated. Yep, my board's an MSI. My graphics card's an ATI. It's a pretty new ATI. It's the 90 or whatever, the 290. I have to look it up again. I have it written down. Basic drive. I'd like a Blu-ray drive for it, but I have my PS3, so I'm fine with it now. Basic power supply. Power supply is the most important part I need. I need a new power supply. Someone much appreciated they send me it. And my graphics card. And here's all my ports in the back. My graphics card's kicking out of an HDMI. Just the HDMI cable picked up at Walmart. Yeah, basic videos and came with all that. Oh, it's got all these. You can see it right there. It's got all these ports. I love about this board is I can run. You can even run a scratch pad out of it. Input speaker, output speaker, scratch pad, surround sound system, all the basics. You can run all out of it. It's a multimedia. And it has another HDMI port right there. So I'm running it up into my Sigma HD TV. I picked up $800 at Best Buy. My keyboard is a Microsoft 3000 keyboard, optical keyboard, wireless mouse, both Bluetooth. Cool thing about the board and stuff, I don't have the drivers anymore for it, but you can turn up and down volume. And so that's my basic build. If you have any more questions about it, please contact me. I need to get some more hardware videos later. I guess this is my first hardware video, so alright, see you later.